Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you meta tag and its attribute. Meta tag in HTML that describe the some aspect of content on web page. It is used by search engine to search information, and this is empty tag, that is the singular tag. Meta tag is placed between head section only. It helps browser, search engine and other web services understand how to process and display the web page. There are four attributes we will be used in meta tag. First one is name. Name attribute, value of name attribute can be related to any of the following like author, your website author, description, your website description, keywords and copyright. For that you can write meta name is equal to author, meta name is equal to description, meta name is equal to keywords and meta name is equal to copyright. Next is content. It can have any textual matter related to the name. For example, I have taken here meta name is equal to author. For that content is Bal Bharti. Which type of content you provide? You can write in content section. Second is meta name is equal to description. So my website description is what? Advanced web designing. So content is equal to advanced web designing. Meta name is equal to keywords. Here we will be write the any keywords related to your website like learn HTML5, HTML5, list in HTML5 or basic programming. This is a content, this is a description related to your meta name. Next one is char set. It is essential for ensuring that all text including the special character is displayed correctly. So UTF-8 is popular character encoding that include the most character from the all known language and making it ideal for global website. For that we use UTF-8 Indian character. So you can write like this, meta char set is equal to UTF-8. For Chinese character you can write meta char set is equal to big 5. Now next is HTTP equivalence. Refresh, set cookies, content type and expiry. All these four values we will be used in HTTP equi. Refresh means it will get refresh page after every second. For that you need to mention here second like 5, 3, 2, 1. Then it will get refresh according to that. Meta HTTP equi set cookies. The browser send cookies back to the server /HTML char set big 5. It specify the character encoding for the documents. And last one is expire. The page session will get expire at specific date and time. I am going to show you one example related to meta. This is an example of meta tag. This is a meta description. This is URL in search and this is a title tag. This is short note you can write. There are four attributes: name, content, HTTP equi, char set. In char set UTF-8 for Indian, big 5 for Chinese. In name, author, description, keywords, copyright. Content that have any textual matter related to name. HTTP equivalence, refresh set, cookies, content type and expire. Meta tag, it describes the aspect of content of web page. It is used by the search engine to search information that is provided with web page. It will not be displayed on web page and it is a singular tag. This is a program. All the meta informations we will be written in head section only. After completed head section, you can write your code in body tag. Thank you so much friends. In next video we will learn CSS, that is cascading style sheet in HTML5.